Hello and welcome to the LeaderAI. It's
Okay.
Adrian's face for me. It's like Cheryl. Hello and welcome to the
It's like a
LeaderAI,
commercial break, and you're like, and we're back.
and we're back. LeaderAI challenge training. Hey, Justin, there's just people asking a bit more detail about our concierge service.
Yeah,
Can I explain more? And also about like if I can show an example of what we would provide. So, cool.
please.
All right, great.
Yeah.
So, we're going to get into that. Look, so I just want to explain, okay, you have to be an unlimited, right? You have to be on the unlimited subscription to access Teams, okay? If you want to build or create a team, if you want to build or create a team, you have to be on the unlimited subscription. Now, if you've qualified, right, we are going to send you an invite to this service, and you're going to get that calendar link where you're going to meet really on Zoom. Somebody was asking me in the chat, is it a phone call? It's on Zoom. So you're going to meet on Zoom one-on-one with an expert who's going to take you through that team and the entire team setup. So here, I'm going to share my screen with you all. Okay. So inside of your team, what they're going to do is they're going to go through the team settings with you. So we'll create, add your logo, we'll add your team name. We'll talk to you all about these settings that are in here as well so that you can get your team up and running right away. Inside of the team content area, some of you might already have content. I think Justin had mentioned that whether it's in Dropbox or Google Drive, or maybe use Boards or some other software, we can help you compile it, organize it, and get it inside of this team content area so that your team members that you invite get access to it. We'll organize it all for you as well. If you have a team and maybe you need some content, that's fine. We totally get it. We'll be able to provide images for you, product images, maybe some opportunity images, but we can also help you in building a campaign that you'll share with your team. From a website template, sales funnel like you see here, I'll share with you. Really professional website that your team can share and opt into, to a very professional email campaign where your team members can follow up, and even scripts that they can use so that they can introduce a product or the business opportunity in here as well. So if you don't have this, that's okay. We'll help alongside you, right? We'll help you create it and put it inside of your account so that your team members, when they come in, right, they'll get access to all of this. They can kind of view it and use it as they see fit. So you can kind of see some other marketing campaigns in here. This is a website for people that are interested in the opportunity as well. So maybe your company offers an opportunity and we can help you with this here too. So I wanted to share this with you. There's obviously different ways that you can add content, from text to images, links, videos, files. We said website templates, email templates, and more. The other thing, of course, that we're going to do is kind of help you go through this is we're going to be there one-on-one to help you record your AI avatar. So we're going to give you ideas on, hey, you can go a little further back, or sit this way or this way, walk you through all of the directions so that when you are recording your AI avatar, you are the most confident that you could be. You already know it's going to work out. It's going to be a wonderful and great video. So our expert's going to take you through that and walk you through and make sure that you are confident in recording your AI avatar. You can share you can share what industry you're in, if it's network marketing or any industry, as Justin had shared earlier, and maybe the name of your company. So whatever the name of your company is, this way we can train your AI avatar to know all about your industry and all about your company, so that when someone asks a question, maybe about a product or needs a recommendation, or they need help with a prospect, or they need help overcoming an objection, they can come to you, even on your mobile phone, right? They can come to you and your AI avatar and ask those questions and get the answers right away in any language, okay? Celine says, can you help us with the script to invite people? We have, yes, you're going to tell us all about your company, the industry that you're in, and we're going to create those scripts so that your team members can invite people. Yes. Okay. See. We have experts in different languages that can help you too. Yes, Spanish, German, French. This is from Connie. This is a question for Justin or Adrian if they want to answer. But Connie says, "Hey, can you extend that September 30th date so that we have extra time to qualify? I knew it was coming. Couldn't wait for this moment." I'm just kidding. But happens. But
No deal.
yeah, that was a tough one. But now, all right.
Sorry. Yeah. It's been what did we give? We gave you when we announced this August 10th?
August 8th. Yeah.
Yeah, August 8th. That's
Yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah.
We never give that much notice. Like never. I think never.
Yeah. We don't. Good point. Suzanne says,
if you don't qualify by, how do you qualify after September 30th? You're just going to be able to use it. You're just not going to get it first. That's all. You just have to wait a little longer. It's not, oh, and by the way, other benefits, like I absolutely hope to see a lot more of you in Vegas, for example, than only the people who qualified for this for this. Like we want to have a lot. We want to have a lot of fun and see everybody. So we're going to be talking about that. Everyone who's on Unlimited is going to get access to Teams. There's certain benefits that are part of this initial promotion that we're doing, like early access, like the 100% for a year, like credit, like there's some benefits. But I think the main, if we remember the main thing is Teams, and everyone's going to get access to Teams who's on the unlimited plan. It's just after the people who qualified. Why? Because we have to limit it somehow. We can't have 1,000 or 2,000 teams all get started on the first day, right? We have to kind of have a bit of a ramp up. So we chose to prioritize people who did the challenge, who succeeded. But everyone's going to get to go. Everyone's going to get the great service, the concierge, the setup. It's all the event launch, the launch. It's all going to be great. Okay.
Awesome.
Hope that answers the question.
That was great. Thank you so much. Keisha says, my compliments to Cheryl on keeping the secret all week. Thank you. I know I always look like I'm ready to burst with excitement, but this is really cool. Yes. Can my avatar be used in several teams? Is the question? And yes, your avatar can be used in several teams for sure. Yeah. They're looking for Justin AI on mobile. Very cool.
Me too.
Want Justin on mobile.
Okay. Ridiculous.
There was one, I don't know if I answered this. Suzanne says, can we use information provided by our MLM? And the answer is yes, right? Like you don't, I want to make sure that people understand when we're talking about training your avatar or creating your avatar and your avatar knowing all about your company, there's really not very much information that you need to provide us other than the name. Like if you can tell us the name of your company, then that's basically it. We'll be able to make sure that your avatar is knowledgeable about that company. What I love is, a few of the people who already have an avatar love to ask their own avatar questions about their company or get a product recommendation because of the knowledge that that avatar knows. Can change it. Yes. Your courses are video. Awesome. So what do I need to do to qualify for, we're going to say qualify for early access, as Justin was saying. So if you want to qualify for early access to this, it's referring 5 new people, yes, on a paid plan. Yes. Okay, I'm just kind of going through the questions here. Can we use an avatar that isn't our, missed it. Can we use an avatar that isn't our likeness and create editorial and content calendars? I don't think we're doing avatars that aren't your likeness, right? No, I thought you were going to chime in there, Adrian, but not right now.
Never say never, but where we're focused right now is on helping you to create an AI that's based on your own likeness, right? You're the leader of your team.
Yes. Okay. Awesome. All right. So this last 2 days talk about having. Okay, so yes, if you're $29 is our My AI plan, you want to be on the unlimited plan to access teams. There's can my avatar do my company presentations? So your avatar can be knowledgeable on a company presentation. Your avatar can know when the company presentation is. Your team members can ask questions about that company presentation, but I feel like Justin's going to say something as far as giving the presentation itself.
Yeah, look, I mean, try Eric AI, right? Or try Rob Sperry AI. It's amazing technology, right? But it's still, it's a little robotic, right? Like the emotion, it doesn't fully capture the emotion or charisma of a real person yet. It will, right? Like it will soon be more compelling and more convincing and more polished than my avatar will be better at presenting than me eventually, but we're just not there yet, right? So I like, in my opinion, the best use of the technology today is for like short form question and answer, right? Once it starts to get into 3, 5, 10 minutes, it's not the best experience for the viewer. So while the answer is technically yes, they could do the presentation, I just don't recommend it right now, given the state of the art. That day's coming, but it's just not here yet.
Awesome. Thanks, Justin. Can my avatar be featured in my videos and Nowsite? Oh, not yet. Like, look, your avatar can do a ton of things, right? But maybe soon. Okay, cool. Will the avatar be included in the unlimited subscription or with extra cost later? I'm going to say, look, let's wait until that deadline of September 30th. Maybe even, look, Justin just walked away 2 seconds ago, and I'm ready to just like give it all away. No. Just make sure you're here for our weekly updates. You never know what can happen. But referring your 5, I'm trying my best, Adrian. I am doing everything I can. Refer your 5, and that'll kind of give you that early access. Save me, Adrian.
I think that was very tactful and a very good answer. So I think that might even be a good place for us to end it. That you definitely don't want to miss the next one.
Right on. I do want to share really quickly, just I know we said we would go over courses, so I'm going to kind of breeze through it, if that's all right. Okay. So and then we're going to end it, I promise. So here, let me just share my screen. Inside of your account, you can, inside of your team's account right now, right? You can add content. You can share some course information. You can see one of my courses here. If this is an interest to you, right? Lots of people love that team content section and just utilize the team content section itself. But here inside of the courses area or section, you can see that I've built a course here. It has like an image, title, description, and then my course has lessons inside of it. So here you can kind of see the video lesson with the description, and then the next lesson after that comes into play. I do have one where I want to show you how easy it is to create that course. Just one sec. In your account. We always tend to go over in all of my excitement. So here in Teams, under courses, if you have courses here, did I not have, I went into the wrong account. Oh no. Here, this is where I'm the leader of a specific course. This one? Okay, so here's my team, and in courses, you can click to add here, and you're going to give your course a title and a description and upload or add a photo. So I'm just going to say demo really quickly, and then a demo description. And then you can drag or drop or add from your content or images. Obviously, just kind of add it here really quickly. And then you can publish that course. Once you publish the course, what you're able to do is add lessons to that course. So once it's open, then you can add lessons. You can add links, lesson title, description, and thumbnail in there. Get in there, you can give it a try. I know I went through it really quickly, but it kind of goes through step by step. Start with the course, and then you can create lessons to that course. Okay. Be on your team to see it. How do we find? So Cheryl, how do we find your team? Just by clicking under teams and searching for you. I don't have, like, I'm just using a kind of a demo team. Maybe next week in LeaderAI we'll let people kind of join a demo team so that you can see all of the content available. Okay, I get what you guys are saying now. Cool. Yeah, you can't search for teams. You have to be invited to that team. So maybe that's something that we'll do next week, is invite you to a team so you can kind of see all of the stuff that's in it. All right, I really do have to. Adrian's like, let's go. No, I'm just kidding. We really do have to end it here. This was super fun. Teams on mobile is awesome. I love that you can kind of take your team leader and all of your content with you, or empower your team on the go. Looking forward to more of you qualifying, and stay tuned for more news that I'm trying to zip it up about. Thanks so much, Adrian. You're awesome. Thank you so much.
Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.